Welcome back to ITS 129. Let's today talk a little bit about users and privileges, right? So, I like to click in my navigation pane on PHP just click on the word here. What that does is just kind of bring me back home, yeah? Now you'll notice that I have a video store that we created the last time. So I'm just gonna click on it and I'm gonna see that I could create two tables, right? Customer and video. And then I'm going to click on the privileges tab. Now, right now, the only user that has access to this database is root, right? Root. And by the way, don't change the privileges of root. Please do not do that. Not yet. So I have, that guy can access video store. Well, part of security is the ability to restrict access to your database. So you want to pick users that's going to have access to your database as a primary level of security for your data. So I'm going to click on PHPMyAdmin again. I'm going to create a new user. Click on user accounts, click on add a new user. I'm going to take them as Dale. Pick a host. Now you can do all of these things over here. This % sign is pretty much a wild card. So you can go ahead and any host, that's good. And I'm going to give a password, make it strong. Don't do as I do, password. Don't do as I do. Yeah, like this. And, then the next thing that you do is you want to give them some privileges. So you can check all and it gives them data. They can put in data. They can view the data. They can create some tables and those kind of things. We usually don't want to give more than one person outside of root administrative capabilities because this gives them super user access. Yeah, so we don't want that. So I would just take it off, and I'm going to go. Now, once you created the user, because there are no restrictions to video store, if I click on video store and I click on privileges, Dale has been added, right? So if I go and log out this little door button here and I come in as Dale, password, yeah, click here. And then if I come to, I can see video store. Yeah, I can see video store. I'm now in as Dale, right? I'm now in as Dale over here. So, I can see that. Okay, but you may want to restrict access to this database to, different users. I'm going to log out again, and you got to come in as your super user, root, and I'm going to click on video store, and I'm going to click on privileges. I'm going to go and edit the privileges of Dale, and I'm going to take off everything. Okay, so Dale has no access, no privileges to video store. Click on go. Yeah, so now when I go and log out and log back in as Dale, yeah, password. Yeah, I cannot see, and I'm going to collapse all of this. I don't see video store anymore. Okay, so working backwards. Now I want to put Dale back on over here, and I'm going to come in as root. Okay, now again, once again, I come here and I click on video store and I click on privileges. Dale's not here. Yeah, so I'm going to go back to my home, PHPMyAdmin. I'm going to click on user accounts, and then I'm going to edit privileges on Dale, right? I'm going to go ahead and check all and then check off the admin, right? I click on that guy over here. That looks good, right? I'm not going to click on go just yet. Click on database. And then in database here, I'm going to say video store, right? Then I'm going to click on go. And I'm going to click on all my things that I can do in video store. And then I'm going to go and go. Now, when I come back to Dale, When I come back to Dale over here, I should see access to video store that I do have, yeah? So that's how you go ahead and create a user, right? Create a user. You got to do it in root for now, yeah, because that's our super user, and the root can assign, give privileges to Dale, what have you, and the database. So for your assignment, you will have to create a user, right? Show me, do a screen print that the user can access your video store database, and then another screen print where your user cannot see the video store. Okay, so we'll see you the next time.